Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to TSB Bank Personal Loan. This tutorial will walk you through the process of applying for a personal loan with TSB Bank. To start, it is essential to understand what a personal loan is. A personal loan is a type of unsecured loan that can be used for various purposes such as consolidating debt, financing a large purchase, or covering unexpected expenses. TSB Bank offers personal loans with competitive interest rates and flexible repayment terms. The first step in applying for a TSB Bank personal loan is to check your eligibility. You can do this by visiting the TSB Bank website and using their loan calculator tool. This will give you an idea of how much you can borrow and what your monthly repayments will be. You will need to provide some personal and financial information, including your income, employment status, and credit history. Once you have checked your eligibility, you can apply for the loan online, over the phone, or in a TSB Bank branch. It is crucial to read and understand the terms and conditions of the loan before signing the agreement. This includes the interest rate, repayment term, and any fees associated with the loan. TSB Bank also offers a range of repayment options, including the ability to make overpayments or pay off the loan early. This can help you save money on interest and pay off the loan quicker. Best practice is to only borrow what you can afford to repay, and to make your repayments on time to avoid any late payment fees. It is also essential to have a budget in place to ensure you can manage your repayments alongside your other financial commitments. In conclusion, applying for a TSB Bank personal loan is a straightforward process. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can make an informed decision and get the financial help you need. Remember to always read the terms and conditions carefully and to only borrow what you can afford to repay.